In today's lesson, we'll practice the difference between the verbs ser and estar with this text, Conociendo a Juan. To do so, we'll start by listening to the text with subtitles. Then, we'll listen to it in English and read its translation. Finally, there will be some examples of how to use the verbs ser and estar.
Hola, me llamo Juan. Soy colombiano y tengo 20 años. Soy de la ciudad de Medellín. Mi familia es pequeña, está compuesta por 4 personas. Mi madre, mi padre, mi hermana y yo. Mi mamá es profesora y mi padre es ingeniero. Mi hermana está en la escuela y yo soy guía turístico. Nosotros estamos juntos los fines de semana porque sábado y domingo son los únicos días que tenemos libres. Medellín es una ciudad bonita y moderna. La gente es amable y alegre. La ciudad está en las montañas, así que el clima es muy agradable. Es conocida como la ciudad de la eterna primavera. También es famosa por ser la tierra natal del pintor y escultor Fernando Botero. Colombia es un país muy bonito. Es interesante visitarlo porque es diverso y colorido. Colombia está en América del Sur. Es uno de los pocos países americanos que está al lado del Mar Caribe y del Océano Pacífico. El país es famoso por sus flores, su café y su música. La comida colombiana es deliciosa. Tenemos la arepa y la bandeja paisa, que son muy populares, y el sancocho, que es una sopa tradicional que está muy buena. Yo estoy muy feliz de vivir aquí, en esta tierra llena de encanto. Hello, my name is Juan. I am Colombian and I am 20 years old. I am from the city of Medellin. My family is small. It consists of 4 people. My mother, my father, my sister, and me. My mom is a teacher and my dad is an engineer. My sister is at school and I work as a tour guide. We spend time together at weekends because Saturday and Sunday are the only days we have off. Medellin is a beautiful and modern city. The people are friendly and cheerful. The city is located in the mountains, so the climate is very pleasant. It is known as the City of Eternal Spring. It is also famous for being the birthplace of the painter and sculptor Fernando Botero. Colombia is a very beautiful country. It is interesting to visit because it is diverse and colorful. Colombia is in South America and is one of the few American countries with coast on both the Caribbean Sea and the Pacific Ocean. The country is famous for its flowers, its coffee, and its music. Colombian food is delicious. We have arepas and bandeja paisa, which are very popular, and sancocho, which is a traditional soup that is really tasty. I am very happy to live here, in this land full of charm.